Dushan from RMS Canada. Today we are here at beautiful Maple site in Shelburne, Ontario, setting up the new DJI DOCK 3 for testing. We are doing DOCK 3 testing at Maple site for 2 weeks. As you can see, it's raining here. The dock is fully capable of working in rain, snow, hot, cold environment, and that's the purpose of this test.
Through testing the DJI DOCK 3, we were able to see the ease of the workflow, the ability to monitor the site progress through the real-time feed, as well as the quality of the data. With this technology, we wanted to push the limits a bit and see what it was capable of, and the ability to monitor daily site progress. Because we're a national general contractor with jobs from PEI to Victoria Island, what excites me the most is the ability to service these more remote projects where the data is just as important through this technology.
Hello.
Yeah. How's the weather?
Yeah, it's cloudy but clear today.
What do you think?
Yeah, good to go. Launch away.
All right. Taking off soon.
All right.
And unlock the potential to hit major milestones, critical moments, and better coordination with the actual site team on what is happening.